Hello everyone. In this video I show you how you can fix Dota 2 not launching. Now the first step that I suggest you do is you right click on Dota 2, go to Properties, Installed Files, then try and verify integrity of game files. After you've done that, try and see if it works. If it's still not working, try and press Browse, head over to GameBin, Windows 64 or Windows 32 if you have that one, find Dota2.exe, right-click, Properties, Compatibility, try and activate this one, Apply and OK. Then try and launch it. If it's still not working, try and enable both of these, and if it's still not working, try and enable all three of these. Make sure this is Windows 8. Apply, OK. Now once you've done that, if it's still not working, you can just take them off again, and then you want to try and do it, but this time you want to try and do it with the Steam. So find Steam wherever you have it, right-click, Properties, Compatibility, and instead of choosing this one, just try and enable both of these. Apply, No, OK, and then see if it works now. Now after you've done this, you should probably restart your PC, and that might also help fix the issue. Now, if you for some reason cannot get it to work still, what I suggest you do is you want to make sure that you have it completely closed down. So search for Task Manager, go to Details, press on Name, press Anywhere and press D. Look for Dota 2, and if you have it open, you want to end the task. After that, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.